good day to all of you and welcome to Bong and Things YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to do the unboxing of personal air filtration system, or the brand is Easy Flow. We ordered it where? Lazada
or Shopee?
Yeah. I forgot long time ago. Not long time ago, last 2 months ago maybe. And so let's do the unboxing. By the way guys, this is worth how much?
3,800.
3,800 each, right? And including shipping. And we have one free KN95 mask. Is it one or two? I think it's one. So let's open now without further ado. Forma tayo. So mine is this a green one? Yes, the green one. And for my husband, meron siyang blue one for my husband. So ang laman niya, meron siyang, ito yung system, air filtration. And inside here, kasi natatanggal-tanggal to siya guys. Yan, hindi ko alam paano patanggalin. Pero inside here, meron siyang filter. And you can order it also in Lazada or in Shopee. And then meron lang siyang number of hours na dapat i-change nyo na siya. And this is advisable sa mga for medical use also. And meron siyang something, this is para i-insert siguro to. And there's also I don't know what's this, pero may ganito siya. No, para to parang stopcock, I think. See, stopcock kung ilagay na siya. See, meron siyang
Tagilid.
yes, stopcock. And meron siyang magnet. Can't get the magnet. Na magnet talaga siya guys. Here is the magnet. Yes. The magnet. Para ma-magnet siya. Diba paglagay nyo dito sa mask, i-magnet na lang siya. Ganun. I'm gonna show you how it assemble. And here's the manual. Of course, you have to read first the manual before using. And charge it for how many hours did we charge this? For 8 hours I think, or 2 hours, something
10
like
ata?
that. 10. And here's the charger. So pwede lang siya sa parang cellphone charger lang din. Look. Yes. And meron siyang tie para kung gusto niyo siya ihang, of course ihang niyo siya ganun. And of course this is the pipe. Yan. So, pwede siya connect siya, yung dalawa. Yan. So, di talaga siya, kasi hindi din siya basta-basta matanggal. Hindi pa ako marunong magamit. Hirap siya.
I-twist. Pag butang ni Mana, i-twist siya daw. I-twist na para malak. Hindi, basta ibaliktad ang pag-twist.
Yeah. Pero hindi siya basta-basta matanggal din. You have to do like that. Anyway, matutunan nyo lang yun siya. And this one, you have to put it here. Kung gusto nyo lang mahaba, i-twist nyo din to. Mahirap din siya ilagay. You have to put this and like that. And, hindi na siguro to siya ilagay.
Kung mahaba.
Pwede din siya. Kung gusto nyo
kung
mahaba.
ilagay mo sa back.
Yeah. Pwede din, tama. Pwede
extension
din
niya, extension.
And there's where's that pipe? You can either use this one, or pwede na din hindi. Kasi, yan, I'm gonna show you how to do this. I have my N95 here. For example, this is your N95.
And KN.
KN95 lang pala. Pero, kung sa mga, for example, sa aeroplano, may air filter naman daw yun ngayon. Pero I think it's better if you will use the N95. So, for example, 8 hours yung trip nyo, parang hindi ka makahinga, di ba? So you can use this. Either you can put it here. Then, para hindi mahulog, you can put this here. Diba? Ito siya. Lagyan niyo siya dyan. And, turn it on lang. It's low bat. Yeah, it's on na. Yeah, meron siyang fan, at least, nahihigop. I think this from outside fan. Air, sorry, meron siyang ano. So, nakukuha niya talaga. So, para mas secure, sorry, di marinig yan. Like that. I'm gonna turn this off.
Isa pa. May numbering na. May 1, 2, 3 na siya.
May
Parang electric fan na may 1, 2, 3.
So, may numbering pala to, sorry. So, may numbering siya, mapapalakas nyo at, I mean, you can increase the fan. Like,
The speed.
Yeah, the speed. Like, just like an electric fan talaga. And also, if, advisable din, sabi nila, it's better if butasan nyo, especially mga long travel, at saka yung sa mga hospital. For example, this one, this N95, butasan nyo lang siya. For example, hindi siya mabutas. For example, ito siya, gibutasan ko. Meron siyang stopcock. Ito siya. Para hindi siya yan.
Para hindi siya matanggal.
Matanggal, yan. Hindi ko alam paano ko lang ito. Para. Handa niya yung parents namin.
Wait lang.
Yan. Nilagay siya dyan. Yan guys, para hindi siya matanggal, i-anchor nyo siya ngayon dito. Ewan ko kung makita. Yan. I-anchor siya. Parang ganon yan. Na-anchor na siya. Siyempre, ganon mo siya. So, wala na talaga siyang na lang, isi na lang yun. Hindi siya mag-isi. Anyway, kasi ang tibay ng kaya na to this serves as an anchor, parang ganun. Tapos, ilagay siya dito. So, for example, dito yung labas. Ang gulo ko, no? And, ilagay ito siya. Konting butas lang naman siya. I-anchor siya parang ganun. Meron na siya. Parang na-anchor siya. For example lang yan siya dito. So, wala na siyang leak. Yung may na-cut dito, wala na siyang leak kasi na-anchor na siya. Parang naipit na. So, wala na siyang butas. So, it is much secure. So, anyway guys, hindi ko pa talaga to siya nagamit. Kasi lately, hindi naman kami lumalabas-labas. And kung lumalabas kami, always lang nasa car. So, this is really good for sa mga medical practitioners, mga nurses, doctors, or those working in the hospital, and those doing mga places, ang mga work nila, yung palaging nasa crowded places, they will encounter a lot of people na kasali sa work nila, nature of work nila. And also those who are traveling, this is really good. So, anyway, that's all. And if you have any comments or any suggestions about this airflow or kung sino man nakagamit sa inyo, please comment below. And thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel and like this video. Bong and team. Bye!